what number one is we would like to put this in our curriculum as much as as early as the as our undergraduate students. And second is we would like to also put the inputs that I got here and the insights from you, sir. Kudos to the expertise, and there are a lot of realizations, and I had a lot of notes actually, if I could only show it to you now. Things that I need to take action for my academic unit and for the university in general. And we need to sit down with top management regarding the reviews that we need to undertake so that we make all this more meaningful in the perspective or in terms of how the University of Santo Tomas will be doing things in the near future. And thank you for
Excellent.
that. Thank you.